Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you RPM 3.0 product review. Guys, RPM means Rapid Profit Machine. Creator of this beautiful product RPM 3.0, James Neville Taylor. And guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information. I'm going to show you the marketplace report, how many sales got this product, the refund rate and conversion rate. So stay tuned guys, no one can share this type of information actually. Okay, so what actually is Rapid Profit Machine? Guys, Rapid Profit Machine is a brand new affiliate marketing system and it is discovered by James Neville Taylor. This person, I'm going to show you actually everything. This is the James Neville Taylor. James Neville Taylor is a 7-figure marketer and international speaker, and basically Rapid Profit Machine 3.0 transforms anyone into a high-paying super affiliate marketer without any technical or previous knowledge. Okay guys, and Rapid Profit Machine gives access to done for you landing pages, email sequences and high converting products with your affiliate links hard coded already. When you send the landing pages to these, people submit their emails to access free training video. It follows the lead and promotes high ticket training and software programs in the backend. You can make commissions on autopilot. This system that's called is done for you system and Rapid Profit system. This is the RPM system. This is the James Neville Taylor, the creator. If you are reading this, then you likely know there is plenty of money to be made online. You can see the sales page of Rapid Profit system. This is 100% free of cost, the front end offer. Also this money making affiliate system have lots of OTOs. This product the back end, guys, you can see when you purchase the front end offer, you can see the back end lots of OTOs. Okay guys, and they will actually share with their experience and what method they use. They will actually share the method, guys, the secret method, how you can make money online. Okay, right now I'm just going to jump the marketplace. This is the Warrior Plus marketplace. You can see the Warrior Plus marketplace, 100% legit information that I'm showing right now. Okay, you can see guys, RPM 3.0. And here is the James Neville Taylor, the creator, top 5% vendor and elite vendor. You can see guys, you can imagine it, 100,000 plus people already buy this product, Rapid Profit Machine, and 73% conversion rate and 1% refund rate. This is nothing guys, because this product have already purchased 100,000 plus people. So why you not? This is time for you. I'm just reload this page because the trust purpose. I think you 100% trust it. Okay, this is my honest review guys. You can see the Rapid Profit Machine 3.0 link in my video description below. Just consider the link. That was the affiliate link guys. Okay, when you purchase the product, the backend product of Rapid Profit Machine, I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free valuable videos like this one. I already share all the information that no one can share with you. This type of information guys, this is 100% legit product. That's why I promote it. Okay, attention, when you get started with the Rapid Profit Machine today, you will also get free traffic sent to your machine that's generated over 2 million online, and plus you will get 4,000 plus. Here is, you can see the lots of people testimonials.
What James Neville Taylor has created here is just truly incredible.
He is an outstanding marketer. He's actually proven himself to be such. And when I heard about his new system, I jumped in as an early adopter right away. And I can't be more pleased with what he's created.
You have literally set a new high bar, a new standard for done-for-you systems out there, period.
How does it get any better than this? It looks like he's left no stone unturned when it comes to giving us a complete system. The products, the offers, the lead magnets, and best of all, These are all branded with my name and brand rather than his.
When you see this, you're going to be like, holy crap, this is amazing. The work is in. And he's done it all. Cross the T's, dotted the I's, a true done-for-you program.
I'm super excited because
Here's a lots of testimonials, guys. You can all the full video, link in my video description below. Okay, also in the first comment you can see the link. And at first you want the free RPM system. Right now this is 100% free, the front end offer, and this product have lots of audio, I already said you. And this is a pretty good product, guys. Discover how I built a 7-figure business since surviving my final suicide attempt. This is the James Neville Taylor. He is one of the best affiliate marketer, guys. Okay, and how you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars here. They actually training you. They actually provide lots of videos and pages and etc. Right now we can watch the
I just
testimonial.
checked my leads, and it looks like I already have 8 different leads, and it looks like 2 of them have already activated their Builderall accounts.
Never in my life have I been so impressed with something so well thought out and efficient. It's like the Picasso of affiliate.
Okay, here is a lots of testimonial, guys. Okay, this is the James Neville Taylor. At first you watch this video.
Now, then please know that I
Okay, they actually share their experience, how started the journey. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who are actually struggling to making money from online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, my friend. Please subscribe to my channel. It's to save you. Thank you. See you soon my next video. And warning, your free system is only available to claim for the next 24 hours.